Okay, so let me take you guys to Ghana. Follow me to Ghana. Let us try one of their street food actually. So I decided to try this popular Ghanaian street food. They call it Kosua Ne Meko. I don't know if I pronounced that well, but first you start by peeling your eggs. So I got eggs, I got pepper, tomato, onions. You can add ginger to it if you have, but I don't have ginger, so I'll just be making do with what I have. So after peeling your eggs, so you go ahead to grind your pepper, onions, and ginger. But if you don't have, like I said, and like I don't, you can just start with your pepper and onions. After grinding your pepper and onions, once it is smooth, you add your tomato to it, and then you grind, and you make sure to grind till it is smooth also. So, and you can add a little bit of salt to it. So I didn't add salt at this point. I added salt after I finished grinding, but make sure to add your salt at this point. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, don't forget to share this video so that I don't know our Ghanaian friends outside there can see it and they can let us know if we tried or not. Okay, so this is my first time trying this, and at first I was scared that will I be able to eat this because this is raw pepper, onions, and tomato. It's not like I'm going to fry it or anything. No, you're not frying, you're not cooking, you're not doing anything to it. You just have to grind it like that. After grinding it, so you just remove it and put it in a clean plate. So remove it and put it in a clean plate. Like I said, I didn't add the salt when I was grinding. So now that I've removed it and I've separated it, I've put it in a plate. I'm going to add the salt now here, and then I'm going to mix it together just so that it has taste. So I'm adding the salt to taste. So after that, then you bring out your boiled egg that you've already peeled, and then you cut the egg into two. Don't cut it fully, just cut it halfway, not everything. You cut it halfway so that you'll be able to put your blended grinded pepper, onions, and tomato in the middle. So that's all you do. You just open it like this, and then you put this in the middle, and then don't forget to garnish it with onions at the end. After putting this in the middle, you just add some maybe small onions on top so you can feel that crunchy sound when you're eating it. Anyways, I decided to fry one of the eggs also so I can taste it if it will go well with frying. So I just fried the egg. I didn't add anything to the egg, just the white egg and the yolk. I didn't mix it. I just put my oil on fire. Then I poured the egg inside. I fried it. Then I'll be using this, should I say sauce? I can call it sauce. I'll be using this to eat it also. I just wanted to get the taste on both boiled egg and fried egg. And guys, trust me. This thing is actually nice. Wow. When I saw it, I was like, seriously? I thought I'll just carry boiled egg like this and fresh this thing, and I'll be eating it. Like, how is it even going to taste? But guys, trust me, it came out well. Like, it was nice. I actually enjoyed it, and I think I'll be eating it again on a nose. So yeah, this is the boiled part and this is the fried part. So I decided to try both to see which one will taste better. But I don't know, I can't tell which one is better. Anyways, I decided to do a video so that you would see me eating it actually. And guys, yes, I actually enjoyed it. It was nice actually. Trust me. Anyways, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, help us share this video. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.